is it?
Elmo.
Elmo. Do you love him? Do you love him? Yes. You kiss him? Oh, I miss it. What are you doing there? Where's his nose? Nose? Where's his eyes? Where's his mouth? Where's his belly button? Oh, yeah! What about his feet? Oh, yeah! What about his hands? Where's his hands? There it is! Where's his head? Where would you put his hat? Where's his hat go?
Hat.
Oh, you made him a hat? Is he your hat? Is Elmo your friend? Give him a hug. Say night, night, Elmo.